So now let us solve another inequality in one variable, and this time around we have fractions. Okay, so what we do is you look for the LCM of the two denominator 2 and 5, which is simply by multiplying the denominator together, and the product is 10. So you multiply the fractions by the LCM. Okay, so we have 10 times 5 minus 3x over 2. Then you write the inequality sign. So on the right hand side you do the same thing, that is, you multiply 2x plus 3 over 5 by 10. Okay, so now let us work this out. 2 goes in here 1, 2 in 10 is 5. Alright, then you come to the right hand side. 5 goes in here 1, 5 in 10 is 2. So now you multiply this by 5. So 5 times 5 will give us 25. Okay, 5 times minus 3x will give us minus 15x. You bring down the inequality sign. You do the same thing on the right hand side. 2 times 2x will give us 4x. Okay, 2 times plus 3 will give us 6. Alright, so now we collect the like terms. So 4x will come to the left hand side, okay, which means minus 15 minus 15x minus 4x. Okay, then the 25 will move to the right hand side, which means 6 minus 25, which is equally as saying you subtract 4x from the left hand side, you subtract 4x on the right hand side, you do equally do the same thing on the left hand side. Okay, so now minus 15x minus 4x will give us what? Minus 19x. Okay, so the sign still remain greater than or equal to. So now 6 minus 25 will give us what? Minus 19. Alright, so this time around we divide by a negative value minus 19. We divide both sides by minus 19. Okay, so remember we said the symbol will reverse, the inequality sign will reverse now to less than or equal to. Alright, so minus 19 will divide each other, we cancel each other out on the left hand side, so we have x less than or equal to. On the right hand side as well, minus 19 we cancel each other out, so we have x is less than 1. So now that we found out the answer is x is less than 1, let us check by substituting a value that is less than 1. Okay, so in the inequality, so 5 minus 3, we choose a number less than 1. Minus 1 is less than 1. Okay, divided by 2, then greater than 2, the value x is now, we choose 1 minus 1. Okay, plus 3 over 5. So minus 3 times 1 minus 1 will give us a positive value, so we have 5 plus 3 over 2 greater than or equal to 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2 plus 3 over 5. Then on the left hand side we have 5 plus 3, which will give us 8 over 2 greater than or equal to minus 2 plus 3 will give us 1 over 5. So 2 goes in here 1, 2 in 4, 2 in 8 is 4. So we have 4 is greater than 1 over 5. So we can see that this statement that x is less than 1 is correct, because 4 is definitely greater than 1 over 5. Okay, or if it is the other way around, which could be rewritten as 1 over 5 less than or equal to 1 over, pardon, less than or equal to 4. Okay, so the statement x is less than 1 is correct.